Okay, the big exciting moment is here. 6 months in the making. Wait for it. Look at that. RoboDJ has just been pushed through the digital birthing canal, and I can't wait to give you a tour. This is the RoboDJ dashboard, the nerve center, where you can keep an eye on all your content, from upcoming schedules to your active prompts to all your scripts and voice files. Now, I'm talking about real-time AI voice tracks that actually tap into your actual playlist to generate that content. Now, the brains of the operation is the prompt library. And if you dream up a feature idea, well, you pop the prompt here and it'll create scripts which become voice tracks. Now, originally, weather reports, they weren't even on the radar. But I know how much they mean to a lot of you, so yep, I added real-time forecasts to the premium version. So, daily weather covered, fun and fresh voice tracks done, broadcast sound processing and file management, heck yeah! Now, if you're like me, running an internet station by yourself, but want to sound like the big broadcasters with cool, custom content every hour, now you can, without breaking the bank or breaking a sweat. For this example, I've just popped RoboDJ on the screen with RadioDJ to show you what's about to happen. So if we look at this screen over here, you see I have this cool radical rewind segment coming up. Back to the RoboDJ dashboard, you can see what's about to happen. Look at this. We're less than a minute away from running a schedule. We're going to actually generate a script for a cool rad rewind segment that I do. You can see that's coming up right here on my playlist. And we want to generate a script for the song for Forever Young by Alphaville, because if you look over here in RoboDJ, it has the rules that say, hey, RoboDJ, look in this playlist for the marker VT RoboDJ Rad Rewind, find the song after it, and then write a cool script about that song, make a voiceover, and put it on the air. Lickety split, don't waste my time, I need some cool content. And I mean, we're about less than 10 seconds away from all that happening. So let's go check this out and hopefully see if it works. And just like that, we have a script. Let's go give this thing a read. Oh yeah, I definitely dig this. This is perfect. So if you like the script, great, send it off to your Robo voiceover dudes and dudettes in the sky. Or if you want to make some changes, you can definitely do that. You can edit this right here in the edit window. But I'm digging it, so I'm going to generate the voice track. Okay, that was generated successfully, but I just want to be mindful of the time. Yeah, we have a couple more songs before this rad rewind segment hits, because you see in my RadioDJ playlist, I just have this slug. It's a dummy file. This VT, which is voice track, rad rewind is a placeholder. This is 13 seconds, but we know that this script is going to be much longer than 13 seconds. But the brilliance of this voice track is just going to overwrite this previous placeholder track, and RadioDJ will just play it back. No questions asked. Okay, let's give this a listen, make sure we like it.
Which song captures the bittersweet longing of youth with a melody that has become timeless? Embraced as an anthem across multiple generations, this track reflects the 1980s synth pop era with its ethereal soundscape.
Yeah, I totally dig that. She sounds good. I mean, come on. I think you know by now we're never going to get a 100% human-sounding AI voice. But for how far the technology has come in such a short period of time, that is totally passable for a quick little segment. I'm not having this AI voice replace all my human voice tracks or any other human element on my station, XXX80s. No. This is just to accent, to add some spice to my already human content that I have in rotation. And just to beat the dead horse a little more, I never advocate for replacing real DJs with AI DJs. But here's the thing. The majority of you, like myself, we're solo operators of internet radio stations. It's all us all the time. We'd never have a staff. We'd never hire DJs. So we're not taking anything away from another real DJ. We're adding something to the listening experience by being able to create cool custom content. And that, at the end of the day, is what it's all about. Staying focused on what's best for the listener. With the big honkin' caveat, the voices have to sound good. So from here, I just need to hit save, and it's going to save that file and push it right over to RadioDJ's playlist because we only have a couple more minutes. We have to get this thing on the air. The file's been saved and we still have a couple minutes to spare. I think we're doing good. It's definitely going to hit its time slot. And you saw how super simple that was to create the script, generate the voiceover, save it, and now it is ready for playback. Oh, and I forgot to mention one of the cooler aspects of RoboDJ. That voice track you heard, it was already hit with some really kicking broadcast compression, normalization, some EQ. So it's ready just to pop off on your airwaves. And I removed some of those awkward silent sections that are kind of notorious with AI voiceovers. All right in the back end without me having to lift a finger or take this, wave file into Audacity and tweak it on my own. No. This thing is so ready. It can't wait to hit XXX80s. And it looks like it's just a couple minutes away. We'll tune back in to hear that bit in a second. But when I say that this is AI radio automation for the rest of us, that's not BS marketing mumbo jumbo. RoboDJ is the only solution for smaller broadcasters who aren't rolling those fancy playout systems. Now those guys have some options for AI DJs, but affordable? Not for us, or at least not for me. For example, Futuri is a leader in the AI DJ space, and they're really good, but come on, I should hope so. After many hoops, I finally was able to get a ballpark bid for their AI voice tracking services. Oh my God, you ready for this? The base pricing for Futuri Audio AI starts at $1,250 a month for just daily news and weather. Now, if you're looking to fill an unmanned day part, the base price is $1,500 a month. For a more comprehensive 24/7 AI DJ presence, that costs $1,750 a month. And those rates are based on a minimum 12-month term. So, just for daily news and weather, are you ready for this? Well, you're gonna need to pony up $15,000 a year. Come on, if you're watching my channel, that just doesn't break the bank, it vaporizes it. I mean, why should the big guys have all the fun? It's not right. So my goal was to make RoboDJ accessible for us small-time radio dudes and dudettes. We might not be as big, but we've got something that most massive radio conglomerates lost a long time ago: passion. We actually care about the medium and we want to offer the best product we can. And RoboDJ bridges that gap. From idea to execution, anything is now possible. And most important, no big contracts, no fancy hardware, just big time sound for a fraction of the cost. Okay, it is getting super real, less than 10 seconds away. Fingers crossed, 6 months of work on the line here.
Now, the XXX80s Radical Rewind.
Which song captures the bittersweet longing of youth with a melody that has become timeless? Embraced as an anthem across multiple generations, this track reflects the 1980s synth pop era with its ethereal soundscape. Its haunting piano line was crafted in a small studio in West Germany, a testament to its European roots. Despite the heavy themes, it remains a celebration of life and dreams. From 1984, it's Forever Young by Alphaville.
Radical Rewind.
XXX80s.
Yes, that is totally RoboDJ radical. It worked! If you're tired of stale, generic voice tracks or just burning yourself out trying to do it all, well, I've been there. I actually recorded over 230 voice tracks for my station. The big broadcasters have deep pockets and teams. You've only got you. But my problem, I had too many ideas for on-air features and really wanted to deliver real value to my listeners. And there was no way that I was going to record another 200 tracks just to fill up the fresh content bucket. So I had a nutty idea, and after a lot of toiling, swearing, and light drinking, well, RoboDJ was born. And this is the last thing you'd probably expect me to say, but I don't want you to buy it. You heard me right. I don't want you to buy it. At least not now. First, put RoboDJ to work for your station for free. Yes, try it for 7 days, no strings, no stress. I just want to make sure it works for you and your playout software. And if you still dig it by day 7, then come on, feel free to take the next step. And if you do, oh my goodness, thank you. I greatly appreciate your support. If any of this sounds interesting, well, head over to RoboRadioDJ.com to grab your free 7-day trial. And a recommendation, watch all the tutorial videos before you install it so you're not burning free days with the software. And sorry, but no support is offered with the free trial. But the library of helpful videos should definitely answer most of your questions. As you know, this has been a true labor of love for 6 months, and I'm just really excited to finally be able to share it with you. I know a lot of you have been along for the ride, and this is just really a great moment. So have fun, and please let me know what robo magic that you create with it. I am Jeff, the Radio DJ Dude. I appreciate all your time. Thanks for hanging out. And until our next Radio Rodeo, you keep rocking those mics all over the world.